John, karibu. Amen. Tumebaki na muda mfupi sana, kwa hivyo hatungependa kupoteza sana. Asante.
Good morning, everyone. I wish to take this opportunity to read the eulogy of my late nephew, Albert Omondi Ojwang'. Albert Omondi Ojwang' was born on the 7th July 1994 in a village called Kakoth. He was the only child to Mzee Meshak Ojwang' Opiyo and Mama Yukabeth Adhiambo Ojwang'. Albert began his education at St. Mary's Goretti in 1997 at Mawego. He later moved to Malindi, where he joined Ganda Primary and later sat his KCPE at Msangoni Primary. He sat his KCSE at Barani Secondary School in the year 2014. He performed so well and joined Pwani University, where he graduated in the year 2023. His Christian life. He was raised under Baptist Convention Church, baptized at Fellowship Baptist Church in Malindi. He was an active member of River Baptist Church until his demise. Albert met his wife, Nevnina Anyango, in the year 2021. They were blessed with one child, George Miles Omondi, alias Albert Jr. Albert was a teacher of CRE and history and government. He practiced his profession at Sabaki Make Secondary School, Kituma School, and Moi Boys, where he was a rugby games teacher as well. He was also a blogger and a writer. He had a deep love for people. He was friendly and approachable. His home and indeed his life was always open to others, full of laughter, shared meals and stories. He was a great Manchester United fan. He loved music, and Inda was his favorite local musician. His demise. He was well and healthy until his day of demise. He died under unclear circumstances in police custody. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you. Now, something little that we can remark from the demise of my late nephew, Albert. In this country, we are now grappling with a few things. We are at a bridge, and we shall cross it. We have a bridge of generation gap. The internet and technology has gone too far and too fast. And we need to find a way of bridging those who are on it now and those that technology is leaving just a bit, so that we come to a compromise of understanding what the current generation are doing and what we used to do before. We need to bridge it and try to understand it. Because we may take the children right now, the young boys right now, to be on offense, while for sure it is us to bridge it. Number two, bridging the police force and the police service. There was a police force, and we all underwent a lot of issues with the police force. Now, with the 2010 Constitution, we have police service. Yet, probably the leaders we have in the police service now underwent all their training during the police force. And therefore, trickling down effect, we may still have police force instead of police service. It's a bridge we need to cross. We have a bridge of poverty and perception. There is a lot of poverty in this country, and there is perception of it also in this country. We need to work so hard on the bridge of how to view poverty versus perception of it. What do we perceive of a poor person? What do we perceive of a rich person? What is the real richness and what is the real poverty? And what about the perception? It's a bridge we need to cross. And finally, we have to bridge in what has come in as joblessness and youth expectation. The country's economy, the joblessness that exists, and the youth perception. Where do we stand with our youth today? What is the economic activities that they are doing or present for them, and how do we bridge that? And the last one I would comment regarding the demise of my late nephew, Albert Ojwang, is bridging the raw power, reasoning, and morality. Everybody's just okay until some power gets into him. And this is a serious issue that we need to address in this country. What is the extent at which you are powerful? Where is your power? Where is the bridge between the power you have and the reasoning that should go with it? Is there morality? It's also a big challenge to the church. Where did morality go to? How do we bridge morality and raw power? Thank you so much.
Okay, asante sana Bwana John kwa mambo ya eulogy. Tumesapata habari jinsi ambao kijana alizaliwa bila